Are you ready to take your app to the next level and get it verified by Google? Congratulations! You're about to make it a reliable entity that the public can trust and access. And let's face it, who doesn't want their brand name and logo to be highlighted? It's better recognition, exposure, better everything. But wait, how do you navigate the path to app verification without losing your way? Well, that's what we're here for. Before we move forward in this exciting journey, let's ensure your app qualifies for verification. Ready? First things first, does your app need verification? Well, if you're planning to launch it to the public, especially enterprise users and consumers, then you're on the right track. Does the app ask for restricted or sensitive scopes? This is because apps that utilize non-sensitive scopes are still under development. They may also be built for your G Suite users and so may not require verification. Now, pay attention to these crucial points to prepare your app for a smooth and stress-free verification process. We don't want any unexpected delays. Step 1. Verify domain ownership. Using Search Console, insert this link to Search Console. Confirm your domain ownership for each authorized domain. Remember, providing a thorough justification for third-party service providers is key, so make sure your domain is owned by the same provider. Step 2. Create a privacy policy page. Make sure it's hosted within your website's domain and linked to the OAuth consent screen on the Google API console. Insert this link to Google API console. Users need to see it, understand how their data is used, and feel safe in your hands. Step 3. Explain why you're requesting each scope. Be transparent and specify the reasons for your choices. Show the world why your app is valuable and trustworthy. Step 4. Show the OAuth grant process via a demo video. Use YouTube to demonstrate how users can grant access to your app. Keep it clear, concise, and engaging, so Google can't resist. Before you proceed, remember to separate your production and test projects. This way, your app will undergo a close review by Google's expert teams. There are some essential tips to ensure a smoother Google authentication process too. Your Connect button should maintain Google's standard login design. Don't forget to display a clear warning message above the button, explaining how data will be used before connecting. To make it easier, place it above the Connect button. Match your home page and privacy policy page with your main site's design and colors. When creating your demo video, don't skip displaying the client ID properly. It's a must. Keep your video unlisted when uploading it to YouTube. If you receive any suggestions, respond directly to the email. Remember, every detail counts. So, what are you waiting for? Reduce risks from unverified apps and begin the Google authentication process today. Let's make your app shine brightly on the global stage. Your app is one step closer to making a significant impact in the world. If you're looking for expert guidance to streamline your verification process, reach out to our team today. We're here to help you shine and succeed. Good luck on your journey to app verification greatness.